Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is October 5th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Okay, so Tesla closed down 94 cents today, so that's 0.12%. We closed at 780.59, and it is too late to see what was the post-market right after the close. So let's look at what this looks like on the chart. We know that Tesla is in a congestion zone between 765 and 800. So yesterday we had a pretty nice day, ran up to ran up to 806.97. So we broke outside of this congestion zone of the resistance, but came back in. We could not close above that. There was selling pressure that brought the stock down. So today, what is happening today? So we have a red candle, a smaller body, but red candle, longer wick at the top and smaller wick at the bottom. So we see some selling pressure during the day. We made a lower high and a lower low also. Let's go see the 1 hour chart to see if we cannot understand something else. So this is the 9:30 chart, green candle on the first candle here. We had this bullish trend on the 1 hour chart that we had been following, and this support right here just became resistance today. So this should be read like this. So this is a resistance, and the first candle went and touched exactly that resistance and came back down. Then some sideways action, and then we fell down lower than the middle of the channel. So the middle of the channel between 765 and 800. So we fell down below the middle of the channel, came back above, and then tried to get higher, but was squished down again. So selling pressure again. And then we fell and we went lower here, right smack on this middle channel. And looking at stochastic at 39, not super strong, the stochastic. If stochastic was a bit higher, I would think that there are some chances that we might go back up to resistance, but for now, I don't see that in the stock yet. Let me go back to the daily chart. Let's look at our indicators. Stochastic inching lower a little bit, 73. Not so bad, 73. Not so bad. I would tend to say that when stochastic is over 60, then we can reasonably expect the stock could go back up. If it's lower than 60, then chances are more that the stock is going to get lower. So right now at 73, that's still pretty strong. So it's not impossible that Tesla lingers over there without falling much. That's possible. Okay, so RSI, nothing special with RSI for MACD. So we are still crossed over bullish for now, but very close to crossing over bearish. And the MI is still very convinced that the stock is doing great. So my guess is that I don't see any indication that we would be going below 765. We can get close to 765, but because stochastic is still quite strong and MACD still crossed over bullish, I am less afraid that we go back down. So I have good confidence that we are going to stay in this congestion zone, and eventually this is going to happen around October 27th. I think Tesla is going to also have great profits and everything, so that should be pushing the stock higher at that point. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. You can become a YouTube member if you like what I do. You can also click on my TradingView affiliate link if you would like to use this tool and also get a discount on it. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.